Today, we're diving into the world of IKEA interior design ideas, where simplicity meets functionality, and style is seamlessly woven into every corner of your home. Whether you're looking to revamp your living space or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your interiors, IKEA has something for everyone. Let's explore some of the most inspiring IKEA interior design ideas that will transform your home into a cozy, stylish haven. Have you ever felt that your home lacks that special touch, that sense of warmth and personality? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with making our spaces feel truly ours. But fear not, because with IKEA's innovative and affordable design solutions, you can easily create a home that reflects your unique style and meets your practical needs. Imagine walking into your living room and being greeted by a perfectly arranged space that not only looks beautiful, but also functions effortlessly. One of the key elements of great interior design is maximizing space, and IKEA excels at providing clever storage solutions that keep your home tidy and clutter-free. From stylish shelving units to multifunctional furniture, there are endless possibilities to explore. Consider versatile shelving units that can be used as room dividers, storage solutions, or even stylish display cases. Pair them with colorful storage boxes or baskets to add a pop of color and keep everything organized. The beauty of IKEA furniture lies in its adaptability. You can customize and repurpose pieces to fit your specific needs and style. Let's talk about the magic of lighting. The right lighting can completely transform the atmosphere of a room, making it feel warm and inviting. IKEA offers a range of lighting options, from sleek and modern floor lamps to cozy ambient table lamps. By strategically placing these lights around your home, you can create a welcoming environment that feels both functional and aesthetically pleasing. For example, combining classic designs with modern functionality, adjustable floor lamps and warm pendant lights can cast a soothing glow in your living room. These lighting fixtures can be placed to create cozy reading nooks or illuminate your favorite art pieces, adding both practicality and style to your space. Now, let's move on to the heart of the home, the living room. A well-designed living room not only looks great, but also makes entertaining a breeze. IKEA's modular furniture systems allow you to customize your space to fit your needs perfectly. With smart storage solutions like pull-out drawers and cabinet organizers, you can keep everything in its place and easily accessible. Imagine the joy of spending time in a living room that's as beautiful as it is practical. Modular furniture systems offer endless possibilities for customization. Combine different units, colors, and finishes to create a living room that truly reflects your style. Add smooth, silent closing drawers and various organizers to keep your belongings tidy and easily accessible. With IKEA, even the smallest living rooms can become functional and stylish spaces. But what about the comfort of your living room? After a long day, your living room should be a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. IKEA's furniture and accessories are designed to create a serene and restful environment. From comfortable sofas with built-in storage to stylish coffee tables and bookcases, you can create a space that feels calm and organized. Don't forget to add some soft textiles like cushions and throws to make it extra cozy. Comfortable sofas with underseat storage options are perfect for keeping your living room clutter-free. Pair them with customizable bookcases, which you can organize with shelves, drawers, and display areas to fit your needs. Add a variety of cushions and throws to introduce texture and warmth to your space, making it the perfect retreat after a busy day. Let's not overlook the importance of those little details that make a house a home. Decorative accessories like mirrors, rugs, and artwork can add personality and charm to any space. IKEA offers a wide range of affordable decor items that allow you to express your personal style. By mixing and matching different textures, colors, and patterns, you can create a unique and inviting atmosphere in your home. Consider mirrors that not only serve a functional purpose, but also add a touch of elegance to any room. pair them with natural fiber rugs to bring a sense of warmth and comfort underfoot. And don't forget to explore IKEA's extensive collection of wall art and frames to create a personalized gallery wall that tells your story. Now let's talk about how you can make the most of your living room. Whether you have a small space or a spacious area, IKEA has a variety of furniture and accessories to help you create a cozy, functional living room. Imagine relaxing on a cozy sofa or hosting a gathering with friends around a stylish coffee table. With IKEA's solutions, you can enjoy a beautiful and practical living room that fits your lifestyle. Versatile furniture options can be arranged to fit any space, big or small. Combine foldable chairs and extendable tables to create a flexible dining area, and add modular sofas for a comfortable lounging spot. Enhance the ambiance with decorative lighting, which is perfect for creating a warm, inviting atmosphere in the evenings. As we wrap up, remember that the key to great interior design is creating a space that feels true to you. IKEA offers endless possibilities to help you achieve your dream home, no matter your style or budget. So why wait? Start exploring IKEA's interior design ideas today and transform your home into a place where you love to live. Thank you for joining us on this journey through IKEA's inspiring interior design ideas. We hope you feel inspired to make your home a reflection of your unique personality and taste.